Got a Bobby Dazzler of a website here, blocks.draftsperson.net. It's been around for years but just had a big upgrade. It's a resource for the CAD user. It's a go-to library for AutoCAD blocks or CAD blocks for using your drawings. So what are some of the key features of this website? Well, it's got a search. Obviously you can search by keyword. It's got a category search. Let's have a look at some of its content and see what quality is. So let's look at these here, M16 to M36 bolts, for example. So often you're looking around for some bolts. This one, so you can download the entire set like this on that button. It does a zip file. Now you can download individual files too if you go to attach files. So if I go to the M20, download that. Let's have a look at the quality of this block. So that's all looking pretty good. It's labeled neatly. It has the blocks are on layer 0 and by block, so they're pretty good quality blocks. So obviously done by experienced CAD users. Let's go back to our website now. So we have, what other things have we got on here? Well, symbols are often things that you're looking for. Now, I've noticed there's some really good electrical symbols, a good set there. And this one I used recently on a drawing because I needed some plumbing diagrams done with a few odd things. So here is a piping and plumbing symbols list and all sorts of things like valves and whatever you need for your plumbing drawings. Now, some of the more fun things too, I'd point out, origami. Check out origami. Now if I go to origami kangaroo, now download that one. It's only one file, so it doesn't zip it. It's an origami kangaroo. That could be quite useful to pimp up your drawing. Now if we go back to other interesting ones down in people, we've got fictional characters. Yoda, R2-D2, Darth Vader. You could add those to your drawings too, to make them interesting. So check out blocks.draftsperson.net, a resource for CAD blocks.